Welcome to the House Tours Plug YouTube channel, and if not yet subscribed to this channel, take a second and subscribe to it. This mansion in Houston, Texas belongs to Travis Scott. He bought it at a whopping $14.5 million and it boasts of 3 bedrooms, 9 bathrooms and 12,042 square feet of living room on a 1.49 acres of land. It towers 3 stories tall and hewn from huge quantities of limestone, black steel, and glass. Its amenities include 2 swimming pools, an outdoor entertainment pavilion and separate guest house. A circular driveway surrounded by landscaped gardens fronts the house, which boasts a 600-pound front door that pivots into a foyer. Spacious rooms throughout are punctuated by double-height ceilings, Italian marble floors, Venetian plaster walls and soaring glass windows. Particularly standing out is a double-height living room topped by a mezzanine level ensconced in a dramatic curvilinear mahogany floor and ceiling. There's also a sitting room with a full bath and sliding doors that open to an enclosed patio, plus a mahogany-paneled executive office with built-in bookshelves, a formal dining room, which abuts a family room, and an open kitchen outfitted with sleek lacquered custom cabinetry, high-end Thermador appliances, and a mahogany breakfast bar. A long hallway leads to the master retreat, which is decked out with a coffee bar, mahogany-fitted closets, and a spa-like bath. Additional bedroom suites can be found on the 2nd level, while the 3rd floor offers a fitness room and an expansive roof deck. Thank you for watching, and if you are new to this channel, click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our new upcoming exclusive house tours. See you then!